Since I bought my Honda NC750X, I felt like the lights could be slightly better, slightly stronger. I also heard other riders saying that auxiliary lights can make a real difference, and not just at night, but also during daytime to become more visible to other road users. So I fitted a pair. This video is not a full road test because I still can't ride my bike for a few more weeks, but I wanted to show you what I bought, where I mounted them, how I wired them, and share the first garage test. The lights I fitted are Kewig auxiliary lights, and I'll put the link into the description. And I deliberately fitted them to the upper crash bar, but inside the bar, if that makes sense. So should the bike topple over for whatever reason, I'm hoping that both lights are protected and will not take any damage. Functionality of the lights, they come with a yellow daylight and also a white headlight. As mentioned, the lights have been fitted to the upper crash bar. The cable runs along the crash bar and then going behind the trim. Maybe a bit difficult to see, but cable comes up behind the trim, goes across to the other side. The other cable runs also up from the crash bar behind the trim. And then I fitted the control module on the right hand side, just beside the air intake, fixed it with Velcro. So it's easily removable. As per manufacturer instructions, permanent power is coming from the battery. And last but not least, the switched power is connected to the ThunderBox, which protects the battery so the lights can't stay on when the engine is switched off and drain the battery. I decided to fit the switch on the left hand side to the handlebar in a position where I can control it without taking my hands off the grip. And it allows to switch it on, off, and switch it between daylight and headlights. Right, so this is only a garage test and not the same like testing them on the road in real conditions, but it will give you a reasonable idea which difference the auxiliary lights will make. Okay, this is the standard headlight, the standard light and headlight of the NC750X. So let me start the engine. It will take roughly 3 seconds for the ThunderBox to kick in. This is now the yellow daylight, and here we have the white headlight. You already can see it makes a massive difference. There are also flashing modes, but I'm not testing them or not demonstrating them because depending on rules they may not be legal, so therefore just to let you know there is a different mode. And as the lights are wired into the ThunderBox, so once you switch the ThunderBox off, after a few seconds it will disconnect the power and lights will switch off and can't further drain the battery. Once I'm back on the road, which will be around end of June, beginning of July, I will do a proper road test during daytime and also in the evening to see what difference the lights really make, and share this with you. And till then, thank you for watching, safe riding, and I shall see you soon.